I don't know if you can see this, but I've got legit beads of sweat rolling down my face right now. Good morning. About 6:30 this morning here in Japan. Hey, look, my FJ. Let's go see some temples. All right. Today is the tours of the temples. We're gonna see 7 of them. And this is what we're walking into right now. Look at it. So it was built in like 600s or something like that. Burned down like 10 times. Last construction was in 1600. We're in the temple. Life-changing fountain. I'm gonna have love, long life, and I'm gonna be able to study.
You get to choose one.
I need all 3.
You do all 3.
I need all 3.
You do need all 3, but you can't. Remember, you have to be humble.
Oh man. The craftsmanship of these structures, these temples, incredible. And the detail. Long life, love, and study. We're going for love today because I probably need it. That's love. Tastes like love. Yeah. Feel that? Feel that? That's the power of love.
Are you getting a hard on?
Just got out of this second temple here. This one's awesome. But I wasn't allowed to film in there. There's no cameras allowed at all. And it's 1,000 statues lined up. And this is what it looks like. I mean, we had to take our shoes off walking there, and they're on it. So it was worth it. It was cool. That was something. That was definitely a cool thing to see. I went in thinking, 2 to 3 foot tall statues. It's full-blown human-sized statues. Temple number 3 starts out with a bamboo forest. No idea bamboo would get, this big. It's huge. All right, Chris, you're getting lucky today.
Lucky.
All right, let's see. You're going 3-point line. That was embarrassing. Go anywhere without seeing carp. Carp. Everywhere. We're at a golden temple. So this is actually made with real gold at the top, as far as I understand it. Cool place, if there wasn't so many people. There's a reason people are here. Because it's pretty cool. It's worth checking out. All right, now we are coming up to a shrine for Shintoism. That's Japanese religion, not Buddhism. The other temples we saw earlier were Buddhism. This is Shintoism, and this is Japanese religion, but pretty neat.
Yeah, let me be.
So this is the main shrine where you take a coin, you throw it, you bow twice, say your address in your head, and then you pray, and then you bow again. That's what they do here. So you can take this, and it goes all the way up the mountain and back, and it's covered with those. And I say that it's all businesses. So they put their business's name on it. Okay. So now we're in the thick of it. And it got a lot smaller.
So these are all Japanese companies.
Yep. Yep. The companies paid money and had these put up. So I've come to a point where, you go see something pretty much all day. And in this case, I'm all shrined out. I saw so much and so many today where it's the wow factor, I guess, is gone. It's still cool, don't get me wrong. It's still pretty awesome to see, but I've just seen so much. You can relate on stuff like that, I'm sure. All right, so we found a good beverage here down at the little market. This is really good. Fresh squeezed lemon, made them strong, if you know what I mean. And now, Chris is gonna try a crab stick. Oh. It's not crab? Yeah, I think it's probably imitation crab. It looks like the red's painted on there. Sorry. Let's go. We did something wrong. Well, we got shooed away again.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Apparently we did something wrong. I don't even know what we did.
I don't know if you can see this, but I've got legit beads of sweat rolling down my face right now. Hey, a bowl of ramen. Spice level 2. Only level 2. This says extreme. Do not go much higher. Look at that. Oh my god. There's a spicy bowl of ramen. Really is. Oh. But I tell you what, it is good. Well, I'm gonna be paying for this one later.
Nishiki Market. This is crazy. Great tempura we've been seeing, all kinds of good food. Problem is we just ate. Accidentally came across this. Oh, look. Lots of seafood. Lots and lots of seafood. $20,000. Look at the size of that thing. Oh my gosh. A big, big king crab though. A samurai crab. Hey little buddy. All right, well, we're gonna go find a place. Had a good meal. Now we're gonna go, I don't know, probably get a drink somewhere.
All right. I woke up. It's about 3 or 4 days now. Got a weird growth on my leg. Look at this. I don't know if I got the hurt of the leg.
Is it getting worse?
Well, it's about the same.
Uh-oh.
Whoa. Well, we'll find out.